cheerful morning to my lovely pet hands. How are you all? Good? Fine? I'm also good, beta. This is your science class and I'm your science teacher. Dear kids, as you know, we are done with the reading of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources, and we have completed worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. So today we will move on to the exercise portion of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources. So please be ready with your science book and your pencil erasers. Come, let's begin the class. Kids, this is our exercise of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources on page number 110. Now beta, question A is tick the right option. One statement is written and a few options are there, so we need to tick the right option. Let's start with first. The uppermost layer of Earth's crust is. Yes beta, अर्थ क्रस्ट की अपर मोस्ट लेयर को हम क्या कहते हैं? इज इट सॉयल और वाटर? टेल मी. राइट, इट इज सॉयल, सो वी विल टेक सॉयल. Second is water fixes the soil particles to what fixes the soil particles to ground? Yes बेटा, soil particles को ground में क्या fix करता है? बेटा अगर हम थोड़ा सा सोचेंगे इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में तो सॉयल पार्टिकल्स को ग्राउंड में कौन फिक्स करेगा? प्लांट का वो पार्ट जो सॉयल के साथ या ग्राउंड के साथ कनेक्टेड होगा. तो प्लांट का कौन सा पार्ट है जो बिलो द ग्राउंड वर्क करता है? इज इट स्टेम और रूट? राइट, इट इज रूट, सो वी विल टेक रूट्स. नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ. यस बेटा, नाउ प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड. प्लांट्स जब अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सो विच गैस दे यूज? प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Right, we will take carbon dioxide here. Now next is stoves burn with the help of. Yes बेटा, stoves किसकी हेल्प से बर्न होते हैं, किसकी हेल्प से जलाए जाते हैं? पेट्रोल और केरोसिन. राइट, इट इज केरोसिन. एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ. एयर बेटा, एयर किस चीज़ का मिक्सचर है? एयर में क्या मिलता है हमें? बहुत सारी गैसेस या लिक्विड्स. राइट, द करेक्ट आंसर इज गैसेस. Now beta, our B question is fill in the blanks with given options. Here options are given and we need to fill the blanks with these options. Let's read the options first. First is vehicles, water pollution, shelter, trees and heating. Now we will read the statements and we will fill the blank with the appropriate option given to us. Start with first. Soil provides dash to number of insects and animals. Yes बेटा, सॉयल बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स और एनिमल्स को क्या प्रोवाइड करती है? यस, इट इज़ शेल्टर. बिकॉज बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स और एनिमल्स सॉयल में रहते हैं, दैट्स वाई इट प्रोवाइड्स शेल्टर टू देम. सेकेंड इज मोर डैश शुड बी प्लांटेड टू चेक सॉयल इरोजन. येस बेटा, सॉयल इरोजन को चेक करने के लिए हमें क्या प्लांट करना चाहिए? राइट, इट इज़ ट्रीज. मोर ट्रीज शुड बी प्लांटेड टू चेक सॉयल इरोजन. थर्ड इज वेस्ट थ्रोन इन वाटर बिकम्स अ मेजर कॉज ऑफ. येस बेटा, जब हम वेस्ट को वाटर में थ्रो करते हैं तो वो क्या कॉज करता है, क्या हो जाता है वेस्ट को वाटर में थ्रो करने से? राइट, इट इज़ वाटर पॉल्यूशन. सो हियर वी विल राइट water pollution. Now beta, come to fourth statement. Fourth one is avoid dash the food again and again. Yes बेटा, हमें फूड को क्या बार बार करना अवॉइड करना चाहिए? Yes, it is heating. और why हमें ये क्यों करना चाहिए? To save our fuels, अपने फ्यूल्स को सेव करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज पेट्रोल इज़ यूज टू रन वेरियस. येस बेटा, पेट्रोल क्या बहुत ज़्यादा चलाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? व्हीकल्स. राइट, So we will write down here vehicles. Now beta, question number C is give one word for the following. Here some statements are given to us, and for our help first letter of the answer is also given. We need to give the answer in one or two words. Resources provided by nature. Yes beta. What do we call those resources which are provided by nature to us? Right, they are natural resources. So here we will write natural resources. Now next is beta uppermost layer of earth's crust. Yes, what do we call the uppermost layer of earth's crust? Right, it is soil. So here we will write soil. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोसेस ऑफ कैरिंग अवे ऑफ सॉइल. यस बेटा, वो प्रोसेस जिसमें हमारी टॉप सॉइल नहीं रहती हमारी, हम अपनी टॉप सॉइल को लूज कर देती हैं, उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहती हैं? राइट, इट इज सॉइल इरोजन. वी विल राइट हियर सॉइल इरोजन. Now next is where wind is used to generate electricity. Yes beta, where we use wind to generate electricity? At wind farms and in windmills. Windmills wind farms पे होते हैं जहाँ पर हम wind energy को use करते हैं electricity generate करने के लिए. Now fifth is contamination of air by other gases and chemicals. Yes बेटा, air का पॉल्यूटेड हो जाना, उसमें दूसरी चीज़ों का मिल जाना, दूसरी गैसेस और केमिकल्स का मिल जाना, दैट सिचुएशन इज नोन एज राइट एयर पॉल्यूशन. इट इज नोन एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. सो हियर वी विल राइट एयर पॉल्यूशन. नाउ बेटा कम टू डी क्वेश्चन. D question, it is a pictorial question. What do the following pictures illustrate? Illustrate means explain. See beta, pictures can also talk. They can speak various things if we are able to understand. Here only some pictures are given to you. Now you need to identify with your observation that what these pictures are explaining to you, what they are telling to you. See beta, here a vehicle has been shown and you can see some pollution, smoke coming out of the vehicle. So what this picture is showing us? Air pollution. So we need to write here air pollution. Now beta, if you will observe this picture carefully, then what will you observe? Waste is coming in water. So what is this? It is water pollution. So here we will write water pollution. Now in third picture beta, what is being done? Right, cutting of trees. And cutting of trees is also known as deforestation. So here you can write cutting of trees / deforestation. Deforestation is the another name for cutting of trees. Now beta come to question number E. Match the following terms with suitable pictures. Yes beta, again this is a pictorial question. Some pictures are given to us and some terms are given to us. So we need to match these terms with the correct picture. First is air pollution. Yes, when our air gets polluted, this is known as air pollution. Second is water pollution. Yes, when our water get polluted, that is known as water pollution. Third is noise pollution. What is this noise pollution beta? The sound which, the loud sound which irritates us, which we do not want to hear, that state and that situation is known as noise pollution. ऐसे ज़ोर से आवाज़ों का आना जो हमें सुनने में प्लेजेंट नहीं लगती, अच्छी नहीं लगती, जिनको हम नहीं सुनना चाहते, दैट इज़ नोन एज noise pollution. And next is fossil fuels like charcoal, petrol, diesel. These are fossil fuels. So now you need to match these terms with these pictures. Now in first picture one vehicle is there, in second picture charcoal or some petrol or diesel is there, in third picture this smoke is coming out of this chimney, and in fourth picture water is being polluted. So we need to match these terms with the correct picture. Now air pollution beta, with which picture you will match air pollution? Right here. So we will write here 1 because with this smoke air is being polluted. Now second is water pollution. With which picture we will match water pollution? Right, because here water is being polluted, the waste is being added to water. Now next is noise pollution. Noise pollution, yes beta, vehicles create so much noise in the traffic jam. I guess you all have felt this and heard this, that traffics create noise pollution. So here we will write number 3. And what are fossil fuels? Charcoal, petrol, diesel. These are our fossil fuels. So here we will write number 4. Now beta F question is write true or false. First is strong winds and water break apart rocks. Yes beta, now tell me, do strong winds and water break apart rocks? क्या strong winds और water जो हैं वो rocks को तोड़ देती हैं? Right. So here we will write true. Second is we should throw waste into water. Yes beta, now tell me, should we throw waste into water? No. So it is false. Now next is wind energy is used to generate electricity. Now beta tell me, does wind energy used to generate electricity? Right. So here we will write true. Factories should be provided with tall chimneys. Yes beta, what do you feel? Factories should be provided with tall chimneys or not? Yes, true. So that the smoke can easily managed. Now fifth is soil provides shelter to a number of insects and animals. Yes beta, now tell me, does soil provide shelter to a number of insects and animals? Right, so it is true. So here we will write true. So beta, we have completed exercise of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources. Kids, today we have done exercise of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources. So your homework is to complete the exercise in your book, and please take a very good care of yourselves. Be safe, be at home. Goodbye.